Good morning. Welcome to Market Mashup, our weekly recap of financial markets and what we have on store for this upcoming week that might impact your stock and bond portfolios. I'm Scott Nasca, President of Generation Capital Management. Down week for stocks last week as the Dow Jones was down 1.1%, S&P 500 was down 2.3%, and NASDAQ was down 2.9%. That broke a significant weekly move up that we've seen in stocks for the third quarter of 2023, and also has continued to lead markets higher for this year. So saw a little get back last week. We'll have to pay attention to see if this is going to be a little bit more than just a 1 week wonder, but with news coming out from Apple and some of the other bigger companies out there, I think the market just took a little breather and just want to take a step back because it has moved up pretty high this year so far. So let's pay attention to that. In terms of the bond market, we have the 2-year at 4.83%, the 10-year at 4.10, 73 basis point inversion. That has come down somewhat, and I think it's because the 10-year bond has gone higher over the last week as well. So not good for bonds overall when you see interest rates rising, especially at the longer end of the curve, but pay attention to that. We also have big data points this week. This is inflation week, where we have CPI coming out on Thursday and PPI coming out on Friday. So you want to take a look at that. Consumer sentiment is also being released on Friday. Fed takes a watch at these numbers, so you should put this on your radar as well, just to see if there's been any changes. Any uptick in inflation would not be good for markets and both stocks and bonds, as that would lead the Fed to continue to want to be more aggressive in the rate hike. So just mark those down this week and keep an eye out for them. They'll be coming out at the end of the week. If you have any questions for us, feel free to reach out to us, www.gencapmgmt.com. Our team is ready to answer any questions that you might have, give your portfolios a second opinion. Just make sure that your allocations line up with your risk tolerances and your goals and objectives. Glad to help out any way we can. We've got John's top tips on our website. Take a look at those for any financial planning ideas that you might be wanting to take a look at. So feel free to reach out to us. Once again, our team is ready to help out any way we can. I'm Scott Nasca, President of Generation Capital Management, and this is Market Mashup. Have a great week, everyone.